In the figure, find the area of the region formed by the two lines in the x-axis. We have here two lines, 4x plus 3y plus 12 equals 0, x minus 2y minus 8 equals 0, and this is our x-axis. The region formed is actually a triangle, and we know that the area of the triangle is given by base times height over 2. To solve for the base and height, what we are going to do is solve for this point here, this one, and this one. How do we get this point? This is just our x-intercept, right? To get the x-intercept or the x value, we just let y equal to 0. So this becomes x minus 0 minus 8 equals 0. So yung x natin is equal to 8. So the coordinate of this point is actually 8, 0. What about here? Again, we let y to 0. So this is 4x plus 12 equals 0. So meron kang 4x equals negative 12. X is negative 3. So yung ating point dito is negative 3, 0. So from here to here, that is 3. From here to here, that is 8. So ang total distance natin, yung base natin is actually 11. Now, ano yung height natin? To get the height, ito yung intersection, di ba? Of these two lines. But again, we can do is let x to 0. So magiging 0 minus 2y minus 8 equals 0. Meron kang 2y equals 8. Y is negative 4. So yung ating point dito is actually 0 and then negative 4. That is true if you're going to use this line. Meron kang 0 plus 3y equals negative 12, right? Negative 12. Oops. Meron kang y equals negative 4. The same thing. So meaning to say, yung height natin is 4. So paano hanapin yung area? Base height over 2. So yung ating area will be 11 times 4 over 2, or this is just 22. That is letter A in the choices. Follow for more.